Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 4, today we are going to start our chapter number 2 recapitulate part. So let's recapitulate this topic. So first is your external memory and lag time activity. So let's start this topic. Okay student. Class 4 chapter number 2 memory and storage, and today we are going to recapitulate this topic for related external memory. So let's start this topic. So students, external memory, you know very well which type of external memory in your computer. So first of all, name is a hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, DVD, flash drive, Blu-ray disc and multimedia card. So let's discuss one by one all this topic. So student, first is a hard disk. So it is a main storage device for computer. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet and contains all the software and data. And hard disk is made up of multiple disks called platters. So data is recorded on both the sides of the disk. Nowadays hard disk can store up to 16 TB of data. Now look at this picture, hard disk. So this is a hard disk of external memory in your computer system. Now next part is your CD. It's external memory. So compact disc CD is an optical storage medium. It is a thin circular disc with a reflective metal coating, and it can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. So CDs can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. So it's a full form of CD is a compact disc. Okay students. Now next external part is your DVD, digital versatile disc. Okay, and you can see our digital video disc. So DVD, digital versatile disc, digital video disc is an optical storage device that can be used to store data and record movies with high video and sound quality. A DVD is similar to a CD in shape and size, but can store huge amount of information. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. So it's known as a DVD external memory. Next is your flash drive. So student, flash drive is a name of as a pen drive. So it is a plug and play device used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Now it is also known as a universal serial bus USB drive. So it is very small, lightweight, removable and rewritable. A flash drive can store up to 1 TB of data and is further planned to have its capacity to 2 TB. Now flash drives are faster, hold more data other than and more convenient to carry along. We can carry with us. Okay. Now next external memory is a Blu-ray disc. Now it is a new optical disc format that is rapidly replacing DVD. So it offers more than 5 times the storage capacity of traditional DVDs and can store up to 25 GB on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. So student, this disc has the same dimension as that of a DVD and a CD. It is mainly used to store high quality sound like games and movie data. So this disc has derived its name Blu-ray from the blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on this type of disc. Now next is a last multimedia card. So a multimedia card or memory card is a small storage card, approximately the size of a postage stamp. We can use it in a digital camera or a smartphone. Multimedia cards are available in various sizes and ranging from 32 MB to 128 GB. So we need a multimedia card reader to read the multimedia cards and connect it with a computer through a USB cable. So this is a part of external memory of a multimedia card. Okay students, so just go through the part of external memory of a computer, and we discussed about this all parts of external memory in your book chapter number 2. Just go through and revise it properly, read properly. Okay students.